Hi beauty fam, welcome back to another exciting video. I'm so glad you guys could tune in and enjoy me. I was not on the Jeffree Star PR list. I know he's putting a bunch of people on there, so I apologize that there's tons and tons of videos out there already. I just got mine in the mail today anyways, so I wanted to grab my camera, sit down, throw on some quick makeup, and go over the gloss. I am so super excited. So you do want to see the gloss, then continue to keep on watching. Full disclaimer though, guys, I did not get every single shade. It looks like I did get 7 out of the 16 I think there were. I apologize, they do run $18 a piece. Without them being in a bundle that I could purchase, and again not receiving them in PR, these are the ones that I picked out, the ones that stood out to me the most. So I know that there's 2 of them, 2 different types. There's the Glittery Fantasy and the Extreme Shine, so I got a few of each, and I cannot wait to play with them. I also got a few Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks that I own. I want to layer them over the top, see what they look like, and then I want to see what they look like stand alone. So that'll all be in this video. One other thing before we get started, do not forget that we have a huge giveaway coming up. It does include Jeffree Star, James Charles, there's some Urban Decay in there, so just make sure that you are subscribed, giving this video a thumbs up, and interacting in the comments. We do read the comments and respond. Thank you so much for your support, and let's actually get in and swatch these and play with these. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. Because I have 4 individual sets that I want to try on, like I said, with this liquid lipstick, and then I have 7 glosses that I want to try on. So literally we will be doing this 11 times. Some of you have asked me, do I overdraw my lips? Do I get fillers? No. And no. They're natural. Okay, so the first one I want to try on is Diamond and Ice Cold. Look at that combo though. Okay, I can't wait to try these. Here's what they look like. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Here's what the component looks like. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited. Okay, and here is what a diamond looks like. So we're gonna put these 2 together. It looks so gorgeous. It smells. Oh, it smells good. It smells kind of like cupcakes, like frosting. Okay, still going on opaque and creamy, like it always does. I always do this when I wear a colored lip gloss. I put it on my fingers because I don't want to get my wand dirty. And I don't want to get the inside of the rest. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's the first lip combo that I wanted to try together. It's not necessarily a shade that I would wear every single day, and definitely not with this eye look, but I think it's a pretty combo together. You can definitely see a lot of the glitter and shine. See if I can turn up. Get a little bit closer. Alright, so the next combo I have the Self-Control Sky High, Flamethrower, and Legends Only. Let's do Self-Control and Sky High. This is Sky High. Oh, she's pretty. She's like got green reflex pink in there. This is gonna be one of the glitter fantasies. This is like cupcakes. And then here's Control Freak. Okay, so here's Control Freak by herself. Oh my god. That is buttery, and it just gives you that nice pink touch. I almost don't even want to remove this. It just feels so good and smells so good. Like I can still smell the smell, but it's not like overwhelming. But it feels super nourishing and soft on my lips, so I love that. So now we're going to try Self-Control. The purpose of doing this is to see how it lays over. actually probably live with this purple. It's cute. Okay, and this one is Sky High again. Screw it. Oh my god, I love how that's so pretty. So again, that was Control Freak and Sky High. I'm gonna leave that there, it's kind of cute. Okay, and the last combo I want to try is Flamethrower and Legends Only. Just realized I was not filming, but this is Flamethrower. It's a very beautiful orange shade. And we're gonna put Legends Only on top of it, and then we'll get a swatch of Legends Only, and then we only have 3 more left. And then I want to get a swatch of all the ones together. And Legends Only is considered a extreme shine. So here's what she looks like. So it's kind of like a nude. Oh wow. Honestly, the way it's looking, I think I'm a fan of the extreme shine. Not so much the glitter fantasies. I like the glitter and the sparkle, but I think it's more so for me personally. I think I would like the glitter fantasies paired over the top of a liquid lipstick or lipstick, but just as its own as a gloss. If I was just wearing a gloss, just like an easy, you know, like throw in your purse type of day, I think I'd be at the extreme shine. Yeah, it's like a very clear nude lip gloss, which is kind of like your best friend. But yeah, this is where I would live every single time. Oh, extreme shine and glitter fantasy. They do have a little bit of grit to it, not really bad, but you can still kind of feel it, where with the extreme shine it's very smooth. We have Diamond Juice, Shockwave, and Sequin Glass. Ooh, this is kind of cute. I believe this is actually the black. It is, okay. And this is Diamond Juice. Ooh, those are pretty. And then we have Shockwave. Not gonna lie, what is that Sequin Glass looks way darker in the picture. And here are the 3 components. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Okay, so this one is Shockwave. She's got some color to her. Ooh. She is considered a glitter fantasy. Look at that shine. Okay, and this one is, let's do this one. So we can do Diamond Juice Glass. This is called Sequin Glass. It almost looks more purpley to me. Yeah. I think I thought that this was a little bit darker. I'm gonna swatch her too. I love the names on these two. It was just a good job naming the shades. Okay, and then the last one we're gonna try is Diamond Juice. Here are my final thoughts. If I had to pick shades that I really could not live without and needed, and again, it is a little bit biased of a review because I'm only trying 7 when there's 16, I believe. But for the ones that I got, the ones that I really, really like is Control Freak, Legends Only, and then this beautiful Diamond Juice. These 3 you need in your life ASAP. I really like them both. And this one I don't think is so... it's not as sparkly, I want to say, but it is, but it's not like, what's that I'm looking for? It blends in a lot better, so it's not like out there. There's not like large chunks of glitter in it. I think that's why I like Diamond Juice, and it looks more kind of everyday. So those are the 3 that are my personal favorites. As far as would I go with the Glitter Fantasy or the Extreme Shine, I'm gonna go with the Extreme Shine all day, every day, because it's summertime and we all just really want to like throw on some gloss and go about our day. However, if you know, maybe more towards the fall and the winter, those glitter fantasies are going to be beautiful. I don't dislike any of them, to be honest. Images. These do retail for $18 a piece, which is the same as liquid lipsticks. Listen, no shade, no hate. These are beautiful, all of them. The ones that I've tried, I'm pretty sure the rest of them are gorgeous and beautiful. So the people that you've seen that did get PR and they watched all of them for already on camera, yeah, they're gorgeous and they're beautiful. My only critique is why are, I guess maybe, not really a critique, it's more so of a question. Why are the lip glosses the same price as the liquid lipsticks? And here's the reason why I asked that question. We all know Jeffree started liquid lipsticks and lip ammunitions. They are extremely pigmented, extremely opaque, extremely beautiful. But a gloss is not, and he said it in his video too when these were revealed, they're not meant to be like as opaque, they're meant to be more sheer. So if we're paying $18 for something that's going to be opaque and buildable and like really last a long time, why would the lip gloss then be the same price if it's meant to not be as opaque and they're not gonna last as long? That would be my only question. Not necessarily a critique, just a question. I feel like maybe there should have been a break in the price point, just so like maybe like the lip gloss is $17 and the liquid lipstick's $18, just so that there's a difference, because not that the quality's not there, they just perform differently. And I feel like we're paying $18 for the opacity and the opaqueness of the liquid lipsticks. So if these are more sheer, I would maybe think a little bit less, not $18. But either way, still worth the money, still very beautiful, still very gorgeous. I really like them, I really enjoyed them, so I'm going to continue to wear them. Play with them, swatch them. If you do like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful.